Ashlyn. So when you go to LiveText, when you put your LiveText in and your dashboard pops up, this is what you should see. So instead of going to view assignment, don't do that. Go to LiveText Docs, and you should have a LiveText document right here. This is where you edit your LiveText. So you click on that, and all of your sections pop up. So you go down to the one that says Assessment, which is Portfolio Section 7. Click on that. And this is where you can edit your portfolio. You just hit that edit button right there, type it in, and then to add your artifacts, you edit. So let's see. And to attach files, there is an upload new file right here, and then you upload it. And to submit it, what I did was I went to my courses, I hit that one, assignments, and view assignment. So when I originally hit this, there was a thing to add a document right down here somewhere. And so I just added my portfolio section. So I added the portfolio that has my Chapter 7 in it. And there you go. Easy as that.